What a beautiful trailer. So congratulations for that. I think this makes me just directly go and watch right now. मैं actual में excited हूँ. I've already
Nice,
been
yeah.
binge watching a lot of things on various platforms, but this one I'm gonna go on Netflix and watch that on August 9th altogether.
Yes, please guys watch it and please do let us know how you like it, if you like it, which I'm sure you will.
नहीं एक सीन में तो सबसे ज़्यादा हूटिंग हुई है.
हाँ मतलब क्या चल रहा है भाई कॉलेज में हो?
एंड जब वो डायलॉग आया ना प्यार में कुछ तो होता ही है राइट दैट डायलॉग दैट तापसी पन्नू वाज सेइंग कि जब तक वो तनाव ना आए लोग अपने ब्रेकअप के बारे में सोचने लग गए आई कुड जस्ट सेंस दैट कि चल रहा है ब्रेकअप हो रहा है हो कि तापसी पन्नू का हो रहा है हमारा तो हो ही सकता है.
Yeah, that if you want to look at it that way, yes.
Okay, we can have a seat now.
Thanks, man.
We're gonna have some questions. We're gonna have some games. It's going to be fun roller coaster, and we're gonna share about your experiences about acting altogether. Right? A lot of
Nice.
people here are artists. They also keep going for auditions. So the first thing I'm going to ask you is, when you're not working, how does your day look like? Like, is it like us who sleep till 12 and just don't do anything the entire day, or you are like working out? There's a strict schedule that you're following.
No, if I'm not working, sorry guys, I'm actually a little under the weather, so which is why my voice is like this. So if I sound sexier than usual, then please pardon me. No, kidding. Coming back to the question, my day is very poetic, yeah, because you know it's just me, my bed, and I'm just sleeping. It's beautiful. A cup of coffee, you know, it's nice. I love it. That's it. I just chill. That's all. I'll watch Netflix. I'll watch some anime. I'm a huge anime buff, so I'll binge watch on some old ones, and then sleep late at night again. Yeah, that's it.
Lovely. It feels हमारा भी ऐसा ही है सोते रहो चिल करो but remember there
अरे
are
यार
days
तुम लोग पढ़ाई करो.
हाँ मैं वही बोलने वाला था
क्या
there
सोते
are
रहो?
days when he's working ये this is when he's not working so people are like अब तो मैं भी सोऊंगा.
हाँ ऐसा नहीं होता. There are days when you're not working, which is not coming to college. You all should be studying. ये क्या बात हुई क्या क्या है? और क्या करोगे? हैं? कॉलेज में पढ़ाई नहीं करनी है? नहीं ओ भाई टीचर्स देख लो.
है कहीं सामने ही बैठे हैं उनकी नजर है जिन ने बोला है नहीं उनके अटेंडेंस पे काफी मार लगने वाली. Alright, so yes, keep studying and sir obviously works a lot throughout. When he's not working, he deserves that break, right? So
Thanks,
that
man.
is the
Thank you,
number
thank you.
one thing. With that, I think you must have given a lot of auditions altogether. One experience which you feel was like hilarious. Like I will remember that all my life and ये तो बहुत ही अतरंगी था.
Oh, there have been many hilarious, yeah, because I think every day when we used to go give auditions, there was some funny incident happening. But I think the first audition that I gave of my life, I can never forget that because I was fresh out of my acting school and I had gotten A plus in my acting school. तो मुझे तो लगा मैं जाते ही audition दूंगा, select हो जाऊंगा, star बन जाऊंगा, wow. You know, ये वाला feeling होता है because when you're in your acting school. Cut to, I have gone to give my audition and it was for a shampoo brand जो और कुछ नहीं करना था मुझे सिर्फ ये करना था कि जिम से कुछ तो ऐसे लॉकर रूम में जा रहा है एंड एक बंदे के डैंड्रफ आ रहे हैं ऑब्वियसली तो मैं शैम्पू निकाल के बोलता हूँ ब्रो तू क्या कर रहा है यू बीन लिविंग अंडर अ रॉक यूज दिस शैम्पू एंड देन मेरे बालों के शॉर्ट एंड ऑल यू नो ऑल दैट स्टफ वाज हैपनिंग. तो कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर ने बोला ये करना. मैंने कहा ये तो बाएं हाथ का खेल है टिल ही स्विच्ड ऑन द कैमरा एंड आई फ्रोज एंड भाई तुझे एक्टिंग नहीं आती है क्या? हाँ ऐसे ही आ गया ऑडिशन देने के लिए. मैंने कहा नहीं सर एक और चांस सर एक और. तो ऐसे 2 3 4 5 चांस हुए लेकिन मैं शैम्पू नहीं बेच पाया गाइस. तो that was that I can never forget apart from everything else that happened over the years and the n number of auditions that I've given. That audition still humbles me because it just reminds me of the day that everything started and when I realized that it's not a bubble in my head and reality is completely different, you know, and I have to bring myself to reality if I have to do anything, achieve anything and entertain people. So that is the day where my whole motivation to do something in life to become an actor kind of took a U-turn.
Lovely. And now the entire journey where पहले शैम्पू नहीं बेच पा रहे, अब देखो, अब तो मतलब जो चाहिए वो मेरे को ही बेच दोगे यहाँ तो मुझे लगा।
नहीं यार, ऐसे बातें नहीं करते।
नहीं, just kidding. But the kind of performances you've done altogether, right? From the moment where you were confident and you froze in front of a camera to now just nailing it. Every role that I have seen.
I try, guys. Like not nailing it. That's very far where you will feel that you've nailed something, but you keep trying. You know. Sorry, continue.
Being very modest, humble, that you know there's so much things to do. For me, it's like, okay, this is the epitome. I really love it because so my sister is also an actor, right? So I see the struggle that goes behind just like a 2-hour show that comes on any screen altogether. But what I'm more interested now in is what was that moment when you thought कि यार acting करना है, इसी field में जाना है, यही करना है, this is what is my passion altogether.
There was no one moment where I thought कि यही करना है, because the thing is that I have never seen a 9 to 5 job in my house. Dad is an action director, so तो वो बचपन से ही हमने ये देखा था कि there are sporadic working hours, and you know dad is gone for 15 days for an outdoor shoot, he's home for 15 days, or you know, so there is no fixed pattern or time of work. So when I was doing CA also, huge respect to CAs, whoever's doing it, that is the thing I could not vibe with, because I understood that when I was doing my internship that although it is great and it's a great vocation and a profession to have, it's not cut out for me because I don't understand a 9 to 5 job, and that's a very personal thing. So the next thing was to obviously try out in film industry, because that is what I have seen very closely in my house. Having said that, I did not know I wanted to become an actor. I just, right out of graduation, I joined a film set as an observer, assistant director, apprentice, whatever you call it. And I started learning, and that's when I realized that I can give performing arts a chance. And then I joined theatre group with Makran sir, Makran Deshpande, and I did a couple of plays. For 2-3 years I was doing theatre. And that's when I realized that, okay, I have probably a knack to entertain and to kind of play different characters and say different stories. And that's how it started.
And if I have to ask, I think in terms of a role which you feel you've performed, which reflects that, okay, this is like me itself.
Role which is like me? Oh, that's a very difficult question, yeah. Because I think in every character you put something of yourself, otherwise you will not be able to pull off that character. But I think the character that I very closely identify with is Jaggi Shiddat. Because thanks guys. Because of the very simple fact that Punjabi, you know, that came very naturally to me. And also just the way he viewed life, Jaggi's character was very new to me. You know, this ultra optimistic guy who can not only think positively but also put everything into motion and not worry about whether he's going to fail. You know, because I think that is one thing that holds us back in life, that we judge ourselves, we judge our capabilities even before we have done something, because we feel that the ocean ahead is too vast for us, so we don't even give ourselves that chance. And that film changed the way I look at life and I look at myself, because I felt that yes, it's a character, it's a movie, it's a story, it's fiction, but what's stopping me from actually imbibing even 10% of this in my real life? Why am I judging myself and my capabilities before I actually set out to do something? You know, so I would say Chucky.
Lovely. Let's have a big round of applause. I think that particular character was truly amazing altogether, and the fact that you personally feel it's like a reflection altogether for your character. I've asked a few questions. After this, I think audience मुझे बहुत मारेगी इसके बाद if we don't have.
No
have
violence in college, guys.
Huh?
No violence in college. मत मारना.
Okay, we've circulated the mic. I think anyone who'd like to ask a question, anyone from the audience.
Oh, we're going to audience questions or what?
Audience questions.
So, जिसका भी question मेरे को अच्छा लगेगा ना, will get a rose from me. Huh?
सर मैंने भी इतने क्वेश्चंस पूछे.
तुम्हारे लिए पहले दे दो तो एक सेकंड.
बस यही मेरा दिन बन गया. Okay, who's gonna ask a question?
ये तुम्हारे लिए है. ये वाला.
ये
वाला.
मेरी एक्स की याद दिला दी आपने.
हाँ बस उसी का काम करना है.
इसलिए वोटिंग भी नहीं हुई. एक्स ही बैठी होगी ऑडियंस में कहीं.
हाँ कौन है हाथ उठाओ.
थैंक गॉड किसी ने हाथ नहीं उठाया. I was like ये कहाँ से आ गए. Okay, let's have an audience question. We've circulated the mic, right? Who wants to? Okay, there you go. First question on your left side.
Yes, hi buddy.
How was your background and upbringing influenced your approach towards acting?
My background and oh भाई ये तो सीधा आते ही TEDx talks पे आ गया. But interesting question. See, it's very difficult to jot out your life in the form of an answer because what you've asked is not a very simple question. It's a discussion, right? But I'll still try. I don't know how it's affected my acting, but how it's affected my life is it's given me a plethora of experiences. It's showed me that there's a big divide between, I don't know if I'm able to explain this, but there's a big divide between fiction and reality. But at the same time, it takes a lot of courage to make fiction your reality, you know. So I don't know, that's what I'm saying. I don't know if I'm able to explain it clearly. Because Dad was from the film industry, we